Hi children, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Today's class we are going to see the topic Unit 5 Lost and Found. The title of the lesson is The Missing Papers. So this is a mystery story. So what is meant by mystery story? So mystery story is nothing but a mystery story is a story in which strange things happen that are not explained until the end. Okay, so they have given some of the elements of a mystery story. See, the first one is suspect. So it means a character believed to have possibly committed a crime. And then second one, detective. That means a character whose key role is to solve the mystery. And the next, witness. Witness means a character who is present at a crime scene, who may have seen the crime happen or seen something related to it. And the next one, clue. A hint that can help a detective to solve a crime. So these are the key elements of the mystery story. Okay, let's see some of the new words from this lesson before going to the lesson. First one, jostle. It means pushed. Second one, bolted. It means locked. Third one, agitated. It means disturbed. Fourth one, stand. It means shocked. The next, fifth one, strutting. It means walking with the long steps. And the next, sixth one, blood. It means say something suddenly without thinking. And then seventh one, at stake. It means at risk. The next one, eighth one, third. It means covered with an entity collection of things. The next, ninth one, ransacked. It means searched a place in order to steal or causing damage. And the next, 10th one, upturned. It means turn something upside down. Then 11th one, dejected. It means disappointed. 12th one, baffled. It means confused. Next, 13th one, jubilant. It means expressing great happiness, especially over a victory. Okay, children, let's see the character sketch from the story. So the first character is Madan sir. He is a maths teacher. And then second character, Aditya sir. He is a English teacher. And then third character, Ashwin. He is the one of the student in the school. The next fourth character, Shekhar. He is in charge of electronics, computer and camera man. Okay. Okay, children, let's see the story. So it was afternoon time. During the lunch break, Maths teacher Madan sir walked between the students, those who were getting back to the classroom. Madan sir reached the staff room, which was locked. Okay. So after 2 minutes later, he came out of the staff room with a disturbed mind. After a few seconds of stand, suddenly he went down to the first floor, where an English teacher Aditya taking class, and he asked help from Aditya sir. Aditya sir is the smartest person in the school. He can solve the problems with his presence of mind, and he loved to help others. And then Aditya sir asked to Madan sir, what is the matter? What happened? Then Madan sir hesitated for a moment, and then he said that the master copy of the question paper for tomorrow's test is missing from my desk. Then Aditya sir told to Madan sir that please calm down sir, I will help you. Then later Aditya sir called one of his students for help, and then they went to the second floor. Then Aditya sir observed the staff room carefully, where there were 7 desks, all of them covered with NTD collection of things and some searched for the question paper. Then they observed everything. Aditya sir asked to Madan sir who was the last to leave the room. And then Madan sir replied to Aditya sir that it was me sir. While closing the staff room, everybody went to their classes, so there was no chance to steal the question paper, but I don't know how it was happened. And then Aditya sir asked to Madan sir, the question paper was written for students of which class? Madan sir said to Aditya sir, it was for 5th standard. While they talking, the student, Ashwin, told to Aditya sir, what about a CCTV camera? We shall check it. Like that he told to Aditya sir. So Aditya sir said that yeah, it's a good idea, we shall check it, like that he said. And then they called a lab in charge Shagar and asked to him, can you show us the video footage of the last 1 hour for this floor? Sagar said that the CCTV camera that covers the second floor is out of order, like that he said to him. And then later he said that they have not been working for the last 3 days, but there is another one camera which covers the staircase leading to the second floor, like that he said. And then Aditya sir said to them, yes, that will very useful for us, we will able to identify who went up the second floor, like that he said. And then later as they played the video footage, they were shocked because a chatter of monkeys entered the staff room and damaged the sitting desk, chair and books, everything, particularly Madan sir's desk, because he kept some fruits in his drawer for sharing with the others, where he kept question paper also. So the monkeys took the question papers and went to the nearby mango trees and torn it. So and then later they assumed that the monkeys were visited the school suddenly as they searched of food, because the forest nearby was being cleared to build roads and apartments for human beings. So finally they found that which was done by monkeys, not by some other else, like that. So from this story we have learned that stealing is offense. Okay, so if you steal something from other things, it's a very bad thing and it is a illegal thing. And the next one, it is not good manner to take something that belongs to someone else. So we should not touch others' belonging, because that is bad habits. So if you want, you can ask them, you can get permission from them, then you can use it, otherwise you should not touch it. So this is what we have learned in this lesson. And the next third one, we should not destroy and disturb the wildlife. So it means we should not disturb the wildlife, we should not disturb the animals, and we should not clear the forest and something and all. Okay, so this kind of activity we should not do it. So this is what we have learned from this lesson. So for your better and clear understanding, you can go through the text lines line by line. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. Thank you children. Bye. Take care.